Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go to a satellite view on your Google Maps on your mobile phone. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Google Maps as I am doing. And now in order for you to go ahead and turn on your satellite mode, all you have to do is on the top right, you're gonna go ahead and tap on this icon right over here. And over here, as you can see, there is going to be a option that says map type, map details. So you can simply go ahead and choose your map type to be satellite. As you can see, it's already on default. So when I tap on satellite, there you go. You're gonna be on your maps on your satellite view. So you can simply go ahead and look at the locations from the top down view. As you can see, this is 100% accurate, and it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.